guys. The 3:07. We are off to Texas. Like it is an even 50 degrees. It's not as cold start to the day as what we originally thought. Earlier in the week, forecast was showing like 42, 43 degrees for this morning. So a little bit warmer. Check it out. All right, guys. It is 10 minutes after 7. We are a little less than 100 miles out from Texarkana. So it's really getting light enough to see using the cameras. We started out this morning, it was about 50 degrees. It warmed up to 55 or 56. Back down to 46 degrees now. It's getting colder. We can tell it too. I thought, man, why is the temperature going up? I keep getting colder. Yeah, man. Going into Texarkana here in a little bit. That Harley dealership is not going to be open when we get there, so we're going to pass on by it. We are headed to Black Gold Harley-Davidson. Says we are 261 miles away, 4 hours and 4 minutes. So we'll be there. We're probably about 11:30. 11 to 11:30. We'll have another gas stop before we get there. Alright guys, we're fixing to get it. We'll get some more of these miles. Made it to Texas. Coming through Texarkana now. 8:28 in the morning. Finally starting to warm up a little bit. Woo! All right, we done made it to Black Gold Harley-Davidson. All right, fellas, made it here to Black Gold Harley-Davidson. in Texas. I think it's Allen, Texas, McKinney, Texas, I'm not sure. We got this a little bit turned around. Took us a little bit longer to get here. It's what time it is, 12:30. I think we found the worst paved road in the state of Texas on the way here. A little bit of rain, sprinkling some now. I don't know if you can see that. We'll go ahead and check this out, get a poker chip, see what this is about.
As we left the Buc-ee's in Temple, we were blessed to see this double rainbow, the cloud behind it a foreshadowing of what was to come. This Bob truck was doing its best to block my view of what was a perfect sunset across the Texas horizon. This would be the last positive note of the day. As night fell, we would encounter traffic jam after traffic jam after traffic jam, delaying our arrival and adding hours onto an already long day.
Alright folks, we'll make one last road entry for the evening. We have found every traffic jam in the state of Texas, I think. It's taking us a lot longer than what we were planning on. It is, we started out as you saw at 3 o'clock this morning. It is 8:10 p.m. right now. We've been I got to duck my time from my house yesterday to Bishop's. We got 770 miles in so far. 101 left. So we're gassing up while we're here, and I'll probably check in once we make it into the hotel. Traffic's crazy. Hey, tell everybody how much you enjoy the traffic.
Right now, I'm ready not say. I'd rather not say.
It is crazy.
I'm gonna use profanity.
Oh man! I told we had one more traffic jam. I was gonna flip out on somebody. So anyway, we may find some more before the night's over. But yeah, been a long day. So we're gonna take a leak, get back on the road, check in with you guys when we get to the hotel.
No kidding.
I'm trying to say, hey, you ain't got a lot of bugs on there though.
Rain.
Yeah, they got some film on it now.
Look at the back of them.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we found a little rain too. So see y'all at the hotel. Alright guys, made it into the hotel here in Kerrville at 11:40, and if my math is mathing, after that much time on the road, that's 20 and a half hours took us to get here. 886 miles today. I've done 976 since I got off work yesterday, but a lot of that time was spent either sitting still or doing a slow race. The amount of traffic jams was unbelievable. Never seen anything like it in my life. Texas, what are y'all doing? It was crazy. But I'm fixing to take some Tylenol, get in that bed, and gonna end this video here for the ride out here. And tomorrow we'll start recording for the actual Twisted in Texas 2 event stuff. So thank you guys for watching. We'll catch y'all in the next one.